Good day. In today's how-to, I'm going to guide you through how to join CVQuest as a job seeker. The first thing you're going to do is visit the CVQuest website. On the top right, click Login. You can then register using your existing details or select Don't have an account. Then press Sign Up. And now you're going to fill in your details, such as name, surname, email, and a password you will remember. Make sure to confirm the password, then click Sign Up. Now that you've created your account, it's time to get verified as a job seeker on CVQuest. When you create your account, you'll get an email from noreply@CVQuest. If you do not receive this email, please look under your spam folder. From here, you're going to select Verify Email. Now that your email is verified, you can select Login. Now enter your password and select Login to go back to your profile. Now when logging in, on the bottom left, you'll notice our AI assistant, Wiswick, informing you of their CV reading powers. Before that, we're going to put in some information. Our first name and surname are already there, so we're going to include a phone number and our highest qualification level. Now, we're going to update our cover image and add our CV document. Now you'll notice a prompt asking to automatically update your profile. Select yes, and our AI assistant Wiswick will do the rest. Once this is done, Wiswick will take you through your information so that you can change what needs to be updated. Here, any information that is missing or not present will be highlighted in red. Make sure to include all information, including start and end dates. After these updates, you'll be taken through your languages and skills, where you must select, from 1 to 5, how competent you are in each. After this, Wiswick will make another appearance, thanking you for your time and informing you you're all set for your adventure. Now that your account is all set up, I'm going to guide you through how to apply for a job. Go to Applications, and here you can either select a specific industry or location, or select one of the jobs underneath. We're going to select the Marketing Coordinator. Here, you can see if a company is verified through this icon. You can either bookmark a position to apply for it later, or click Apply Now. This will autofill a message that you can edit or send as is by clicking Apply for a job. After this, you'll see a prompt asking to add 5 fields of work you're interested in. Let's apply for another job. We're going to select the Facebook Ads Marketer and select Apply Now. We're going to send this message as is.